Each person wanting to attend the Tools for Life leader training needs to submit a letter of motivation. And this motivation really talks about why do they want to become a leader? Yeah? Why do they want to attend this training? This is an important step because you need to look at what motivates you to want to be a leader, to want to work with others. And the letter of motivation already in many ways requires you to look a little deeper. What motivates me to want to be a leader? Why does it, call me? And for many people, it's a very natural ability. And for some people, it's, a scary place to step into. And yet, there's this calling. I want to go there. I want to facilitate space and be there for others.